Hello guys, today I want to talk how can we install Ubuntu in EVNG Lab and how is the process, and after that in next videos we will connect the devices uh, to the switch like switch or routers, and from the network automation from the Ubuntu, we use Python to send some scripts and do some configuration. So please follow these steps. Uh, if you have the EVNG, please go in the website in download, then go down. You will see the Windows client pack. Please install this pack because we need all these softwares for the installation or also for inquiry or something is in the network like Wireshark. So please download and install it. Then if you want to add a Linux machine, you need just go here in the node and just write Linux. Here you can add a device like that I did it before. You need to go in Google and just write it Ubuntu EVNG, then click on the first link. Here is the instruction that how to download and how add the Ubuntu in the laboratory. So the first step says that go and download from this link. So I click here. Just a second. Okay. Now, please attention, we have a Ubuntu, the last version is 22, but there is two versions, server and desktop, but we need the desktop. So I will go and click and download it. Okay, because I did it before, so no need to do it. Then we will follow the instruction, says that after you download it, we need to run the WinSCP. It's the software that we have here, also all the packages here, and just we need to run and run it. So I will go and run WinSCP. Okay. See, in your machine, when you run your virtual machine, it shows the IP that you can connect to the Eve. So I will go add this IP, and after that, the user is root and the password is Eve. So I will add it and just click here to log in as the password. I add, then I log in here. I am now inside the virtual machine, and now says that okay, you need to go to this address that already I did it. So you follow the instruction, go in this directory. After you go inside this directory and the download of Ubuntu finish, just you can copy and paste it here. It is easy process, and it will add under here this directory. The second step, the third step is you can use any software that use SSH like PuTTY. No, I have a secure CRT. I use this. So again, I go here. This is the IP of the virtual machine, same that we connect to the laboratory, and just connect terminal. Now I am inside the machine. Okay. Now there is just some Linux command says that okay, by this command you can just copy and then paste. You change directory, you go same directory. Now we are in this directory. Then after that says that you need just open that file that you downloaded and upload it in this directory. But please attention, here is just an example. This is Ubuntu 16. So look at what's your exactly the name of the file. You just replace instead of this the same file Linux desktop 20 blah blah blah. Okay, and then after that you can just this is the Linux command to open the zip file. It will go and open the file. After you did this, if you click here refresh, you will see here the Linux Ubuntu added, and this is the file. Okay, the next step says that you can this is the remove option, that you remove that file. It is in zip file because we don't need it now. We expand it, so just you click here again, the name, please attention, be same as the file name that we copied, and after that it will remove. And the last session is that just you copy here and paste it here, and this is the permission. Somehow I recommend to it this, but just for your information, I did it like this. I go inside the Linux directory here, click on the properties, and you can just click on the right to give permission for read write. After you did this, you can just close WinSCP. We don't need it. You can close the your PuTTY or any SSH software that you use. Now we go here and just click edit. You go and choose, see, now it is added in the laboratory. So you can choose the Linux 2204 and save it. After that, you start to turn on the device. Just it take a time. My system is not very high speed. Okay, I allow. It will go to run the Ubuntu. If you check here, here will show you after you finish everything, says that all the Linux that EvenG put it here for the downloading, says that the user password for login is like this, one of these. You must just try. Uh, for myself, just when I boot, ask user, so I use user and test 123, same as here. It is easy, the instruction is perfect. Uh, just a moment. Okay, see, just click here and write test 123, and I will go inside it. We will follow the this instruction. Just please try to, after you boot, go in terminal and update the Ubuntu, because normally you need some update by sudo instruction, and also automatically normally ask for the internet. I will explain how to do it in the next session. Thank you so much for giving your time. Have a nice day.